Okay, so tuone how to create business intelligent web system kwa kutumia Python programming language na Django. Django ni free open source high level web framework. Kwenye hii episode number 11 tutaona how to create a meter gauge. Meter gauge ni visualization tool inayotumika kuonyesha business target, a business target and current position. For example now, my business target ni kureach hii kiwango cha fedha, okay, Tanzania shillings. Okay, so my current loan correction ni hiki hapa kiwango cha fedha. So nipo kwenye position gani? Ili kufikia business target, current percent ni 13%. Kwa nini? Kwa sababu total loan collection ni hii hapa 120 millions. So from 120 millions kwenye hii business target nipo kwenye 13%. Okay, so 13% inaangukia kwenye upande wa gani katika hii meter gauge? Kwenye meter gauge 13% is at this point, so this is 13%. Okay, so hii meter gauge inaonyesha entire business target. My business target ni hii hapa. Okay, hii ni business target ambayo ni hii hapa business target, the same hii hapa. Okay, inaanza count from 0. So no current nipo kwenye hii hapa, current collection nipo hapa, approximate kutoka hapa kwenye 100 mpaka hapa ni sawa na 120, ambayo ni hii hapa 120 million, ambayo ni sawa na 13%. So hizi data ni dynamic, zinakuwa kwenye database. Once database ikiundergo some changes, na hapa 13% ita change, na hii hapa collection ita change, ila hii itabakia kwa static. Okay, so nikija katika admin site, okay, hii ni admin site, hawa ni customers and hizi ni loans walizochukua customers, na hii ni business target. Okay, so now you can see I have this one business target, last target, but current target ni kiwango hiki hapa cha fedha. Okay, so now I can change, click add business target. For example, now my business target ni kufikia kiwango hiki hapa cha fedha, my business target. After then click save. Okay, so now you can see business target imeongezeka. Kwa itaacha hii, itachukua current target. Okay, so when I come to my site hapa nikirefresh, utaona kuna changes zimefanyika. Okay, na utaja kukuta kwamba nipo beyond mwa business target, nimevuka lengo, nipo kwenye asilimia hizi. Why? Kwa sababu kiwango nilichokiweka hapa katika hii admin site ni kidogo. Okay, so let's try to change. For example, this is my business target, save changes. Hapo nime up to date. I think I need to add another 0. Okay, then click save. Okay, hapo nime up to date. When I come to my system and I check changes, now you can see nipo kwenye 40%, because my business target now ni hiki hapa kiwango cha fedha, lakini current collection, loan collection ni hii hapa. So nipo kwenye position gani? 40%. Na 40% kwenye meter gauge inaangukia pande gani? Inaangukia kwenye this area. So this area is 40%. Kwa nini? Kwa sababu hii ni 50, okay? Hii ni 100. So hii hapa inaangukia somewhere hapa katika 120. So ili kuikamilisha hii meter gauge kuja ku reach hapa kwenye hii 300 million, nipo kwenye 40%. That is a meter gauge. So how to implement? To implement this system now, kwa sababu hii ni episode number 11, kwenye episode iliyotangulia tulicheck how to create a simple trends kwa kutumia statistic function inaitwa normal distribution na z-test. Okay, normal distribution ni curve, z-test ni statistical function, box plot na hii table. Okay, so today ukija kwenye dashboard now tunataka ionekane hivi. Okay, so now let's run our project. Now currently na run our demo project. So now stop demo project and close it and access our actual project ambayo ipo kwenye directory ya downloads. Then access my project, then when hii address bar hapa just select and write cmd, click enter, then run project, python space, then manage.py, okay, then run server, okay, then click enter. Okay, server it run, okay. Okay, so after running server, now come to our project and refresh. Now this is our project. So kija katika home, this is home, add customer. Hapa unaweza ka add customer, okay. Kwenye previous episode we check how to create this one. Hapa kuna upload passport size, and this is the image, okay. Now business trends, okay. So this is a business trend, okay. In add on, so hapa unaweza ka add on, okay. So admin, unaenda kwenye admin site. Analytics, na unakuja katika hapa kwenye hii simple analytics. In home, unakuja hapa katika home. Now hapa katika home ndo tuna create ile page. So now come to our source code and access views, okay. So views and find home function into home. So this is home. Home here hapa. Home function you return home.html. Home.html ni hii hapa, okay. So access source code, notepad, okay. Then this is our source code. Then we access home kwenye views. So click on views and find home function. Where is home? This is the home, and copy his source code zote, okay, hadi hapa kwenye render, okay. Okay, after copying, now come to our project, then hapa na click enter. So remember his library zote tumesha import kwenye previous episode. So now paste it, okay. So now good, kwa sababu tusha return render, he just na delete, okay. Okay, now kuja huku juu, okay. So this is the function is home. So calculate the total summation of requested loan. So kuweza kupata summation of requested loan, manake tunatumia what in just like a query. This is a user defined variable. Total requested loan equal to loan. What is loan? Is our model. When I click control keypad and hold, nikiclick loan nitaitwa hapa. Hii ni our model, okay. Okay, so now good. So from loan.objects.aggregate, aggregate ni built-in function. Nikionyesha control nikaihold, nikiclick on aggregate itaitwa kwenye hii function, kwenye hii file, sorry. Hili file lina number of aggregation like summation, median, mode, mean, quantile, so on. All measure of tendency, measure of dispersions zimekuwa defined kwenye hili file, okay. Linapatikana wapi hili file? Linapatikana under the path users, your computer name, and so on and so on and so on until you get that file, okay. Unaweza kaifuatisha hii path kuonekana hapa kama unatumia Visual Studio Code, okay. Okay, so now good. So find a function inaitwa summation. The same summation ikiclick itaitwa kwenye class yake. Function is sum and so on and so on. What inafanya? Inafanya summation of distinct value, okay. We have also variance, standard deviation, so on, okay. So requested amount. Requested amount ukija katika models, where is models? My model. Requested amount. My model requested amount ni hapa, hii field. Ambayo data type ni float. Okay, so ngine katika views. Sorry. Requested amount, then find the summation. Set target, okay. Set target amount, okay. Take last added field, okay. This is a target. A target of last added field. Ukija katika our application now, refresh, login again, and now yes, niko katika system nyingine. Target hii ina check last field, okay. So last field, for example, add a new target. A new target, for example, is this one, okay, and click save. So this is the last target. So hapa inachokifanya ina take last target ya hiyo target ambayo ni alone. Then we find a percentage position, okay, and we create a gauge chart, plotly, natumia plotly library, okay. Then of course there are so many. This code hapa tumefanya just formatting, color and so on. Then hapa format also, okay, until hapa return render. Okay, hapo return render just return home.html. Hii gauge ndo key, gauge.html ni click ndo hii hapa create, put figure hapo. Okay, and so on and so on. So now from here save changes and come to home.html. On home.html then chukua source code is a home source code, then copy from div container hadi hapa, then copy, come to our project hapa, then delete this one, okay, and paste. Okay, after pasting now hii div class ni container, body, row, I think zinaeleweka, hizi ni HTML, lakini cha msingi ni hapa kwenye hizi ni zile kadi. Total requested loan inatoka hapa katika hii hapa total requested loan key, umeona, na hiyo target inatoka hapa kwenye target, na gauge ni graph gauge.html. So nikija hapa make hii loan ndo ile key, target ni ile target, na ile gauge ndo hii hapa gauge. Okay, okay, so hizi icons unazipata hapa, icons hizo hapa, then utakuja Google as well, Google hapa kwenye search engine hapa utaandika emo, so emoji, of course nimeweka link kwenye video description. Unaona hizi hapa ni just a number of emojis. Okay, nataka ku use a particular emoji, for example this emoji nataka nitumie emoji, so nita click, nitaambiwa imekuwa copied. So nitakuja katika my application, whatever unapopataka, labda hapa nita just paste, itatokea pale. Okay, na kwenye application yetu itatokea hivyo hivyo. So now save changes. Currently nina run demo project, so control C shortcut ya kustopisha current demo project, then access our project. Our project ipo kwenye downloads hapa, kwenye downloads, then my project, open my project, then cmd, okay, kwa access command prompt, then hapa tuna run project, then python, then manage.py, run server, then click enter. Click enter, current project yetu ambayo ni development project ita run. So come to our project ambayo ni hii project, then hapa refresh. Now you can see I think it's hii ni percent. I think data, of course, nije ni refresh admin. Okay, so kuna data ziliingia kimakosa hii hapa, just select it, delete. Okay, I'm sure hapo tuliingiza data ambayo ni invalid. Okay, I think hapa kwenye loans kuna problem, kwenye loans kuna problem. Okay, kwenye upande wa logics, so I'll do another loan. Requested amount is this one, save and add another 2 and is active. Requested amount is this one and click OK. So this is our target. Okay, then save our target, then come to refresh our page. I think now we have 2.7.78%. Our currently requested loan is this one, business target is this one. Okay, okay, so manake hii ni kwamba niki update hii hapa, nikiongeza 0, nikikliki save changes na kuja ku reflect na huku. Okay, watu kwenye asilimia 0.78. Okay, kwa nini? Kwa sababu tumeongeza business target, kwa ni hii hapa tumeongeza. Okay, okay, so now application yetu tunaweza ipo complete. This is analytics, this is our business trends. Okay, and this is add loan page, this is add customer. Okay, and this is a checkup. This is assignment, unaweza kaifanya mwenyewe as assignment. Okay.